Hello friends, today I am going to unbox this Pentab. I recently purchased it and I am very excited to open. So let's me open this one. So let's me introduce the Pentab, and this Pentab I purchased, and the company is the XP Pen Deco 01 V2. Okay, this is a very nice packing, as you see in this box. I will open it. Now comes to the specification. The active area is 10 into 6.25 inches. Pressure sensitivity is 8192 level. Tilt, that is 6 at the 60 degree. Pen, the battery freestyle. Shortcut keys, 8 PCs. Interface support, USB Type C. Resolution 5080 LIP, LPI. Applicable OS, Windows, Mac and Android. So this is a very nice packing. 1 extra month of warranty for free. इसमें 1 month warranty extra मिल रही है.
Okay, let's see. The MRP is 9,499. Okay friends, now look inside. The Pentab is beautifully covered with this plastic. Now let me open this one also. Okay, now second one, we are getting this protective sheet. Inside this polythene, I received this C-type USB cable. There is one card. I think this is another card. Maybe this is a warranty. Yes, this is a warranty card. And this is a quick installation guide. I received this hand glove. Okay, look at this. So this is used when you are drawing or paint something, and it make scratch free. It prevent the scratches on the tablet. This is beautifully written. Thank you for supporting letter. This is a pen having one nib. There is one pen stand. So we can put it like this, or we can put our pen like this. So this is a very beautiful stand for the pen. I have received 2 USB port, so it can be used for when we are connecting our Pentab to our mobile, so there are different ports. You can see here that this is a large one port for the mobile supporting this one port, and there is a small port, the mobile, which are supporting this one port. 8 pins extra, or we can also say that these are the nips. So this is all about this box. Now let me introduce with my Pentab, which is my dream to purchase. So I will open it. You can see here that these are 4 points, and it is also shine during night time. So we can write on it when there is no light. For the support and make it scratch free, this supporter is to be used over it. We can put it on here like this. Here it is written as please remove the protector before using. So this is the protector sheet, and now after removing this, we can apply it by removing this one. And we can put it over there. So it is sticked on our Pentab. So it is looking very beautiful. Now let me connect it to my computer, and I will check the performance of this Pentab. कंप्यूटर में यूज़ करने के पहले इसके ड्राइवर इंस्टॉल करना होते हैं। इसके लिए गूगल पे XP पेन ड्राइवर टाइप करके आप इसकी वेबसाइट पे जाएं, जहां पर आपको जो सीरीज़ आपने पेनटेप की ली है उसको यहाँ टाइप करके सर्च कर लें। जैसे मैंने डेको XP 01 लिया है V2, तो इसमें आप अगर आपके पास मैक है या आपके पास विंडो 7, 8, 10, तो इसके लिए आपको ड्राइवर्स मिल जाएंगे। जैसे आप डाउनलोड करें, डाउनलोड होने पर ये जिप फाइल रहेगी, इसको ओपन कर लें। और एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के बाद में इसे इंस्टॉल करें। इस टाइप से ये इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। अब इसको हम डेस्कटॉप पे देखते हैं। डेस्कटॉप पे कुछ इस टाइप का आइकॉन बना हुआ आएगा, और मैंने इसी आइकॉन के हेल्प से बहुत सारे वीडियो बनाए हैं और इस चैनल पे अपलोड किए हैं।
अगर आपको मेरा यह वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक यू वेरी मच।